Hello friends, so today we will discuss regarding the one more important topic, that is the science of atropinization. The simple meaning of sign of atropinization is that whether we can achieve the adequate dose of atropine or not. There are the three signs of atropinization. In case of the organophosphate poisoning in situ, there are the two important symptoms. The first symptom is the pinpoint pupil and the second one is the secretion. So the reverse of pinpoint pupil is nothing but the mydriasis, and hence if the mydriasis occurs means that we can give the atropine to the patient. The second symptom is the decrease in the secretions. If there is a decrease in the secretion, it means that the patient can take on the atropine. And the third one is the tachycardia. It means that increase in the heart rate more than 100. So there are the three sets of symptoms, so we can see the effective dose of atropine. Directly we can check these symptoms. In this case, the mydriasis is the common sign of atropinization, and the second most specific or the reliable symptom of atropinization is the decrease in the secretion. The meaning of reliable sign means that if this sign is present, we can 100% sure that it can be caused due to the atropine. In case of the other signs, we cannot assure 100%, and hence the decrease in the secretion is such a sign which can be caused only by the atropine and not by the other drugs. Like the mydriasis, which can cause by the hypoxia in the brain due to the severe poisoning, and this may lead to mydriasis. As well as the mydriasis is also the common sign of death also. If the pupil is contracted, it means that the brain is still working, but if the pupil is dilated, it is the sign of brain death. The mydriasis is the sign of brain death, so we can check the mydriasis as an important sign only when the blood pressure and the pulse is absent. The third one is the tachycardia. The tachycardia is also occur due to the other reasons, like the stimulation of nicotinic receptors leads to a tachycardia, and therefore the secretions are reduced only when we give the atropine, and therefore insecretions are the reliable sign of atropinization. But the secretions are very difficult to detect as compared to the mydriasis, which can be easily detected. But we can check the secretion by using the stethoscope. It means that any person having the organophosphate poisoning leads to the increase in the secretion all over the body. Especially in case of the lungs, the secretions are increases, and therefore we can use stethoscope. By using the stethoscope, we can hear the sound of crepitations, and when the crepitations are stopped, we can say the secretions are decreases. So these are the important signs of atropinization. Thank you.